Imagine standing on the edge of the Grand Canyon, a mile-deep chasm painted in red and gold. For years we thought the Colorado River alone carved this wonder, a slow, steady process. But in 2012 scientists found something that shattered that story. Deep in remote caves high above the river, they discovered mammillary calcite, mineral deposits that only form underwater. These caves are hundreds of feet above today's river, pointing to a massive ancient lake that once filled the canyon. This meant the Grand Canyon wasn't always shaped by a flowing river. At times it was dammed and transformed into a deep, still lake. The discovery upended a century of geological consensus. The canyon's history was far more violent, marked by cataclysmic floods and monumental blockages. What could have blocked the mighty Colorado? Landslides? Volcanic eruptions? And how long did this ghost lake last before unleashing a catastrophic flood? Suddenly the Grand Canyon became a crime scene, its walls whispering of ancient violence and mystery. The serene landscape hides a turbulent past, a history of nature's raw power. This single finding opened a Pandora's box of questions. The canyon's silent walls are finally telling a new, more frightening story. Scientists are listening and realizing the canyon has been keeping secrets. The Grand Canyon is not just a postcard, it's a place of ancient upheaval, and this revelation is only the beginning. If you've never seen it, picture a colossal canyon stretching 277 miles across northern Arizona, up to 18 miles wide and over a mile deep. Standing on its rim, you feel tiny, witnessing a drama millions of years in the making. The Colorado River is the master carver, slicing through rock and exposing a vertical timeline of Earth's history. Each layer tells a story: red hermit shale from ancient floodplains, pale kaibab limestone from a vanished sea. The Grand Canyon is one of the most complete rock records on Earth, but it's more than geology. It's alive. Bighorn sheep-scale cliffs, condors soar overhead, and microclimates shift from desert to pine forest in a single hike. This place is a world of contrasts, harsh survival, breathtaking beauty. Its grandeur, history, and vibrant life make it unique. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it draws millions: tourists, adventurers, scientists, all seeking inspiration or answers. The canyon's secrets run deep, and its story is still unfolding. Every visit is a chance to glimpse something new. The Grand Canyon is a living laboratory, a sanctuary, and a mystery. It's a place where the past and present collide. And as we're learning, some of its secrets are more astonishing and terrifying than we ever imagined. The canyon still has stories to tell. Let's travel back 360 million years, when Arizona was covered by a tropical sea. Here, nautiloids, squid-like predators in cone-shaped shells, ruled the waters. In the Redwall limestone, scientists found a fossil graveyard, thousands of nautiloids, all perfectly aligned. This wasn't random, it was a snapshot of catastrophe. A massive prehistoric storm likely swept through. Its surge so powerful it buried these creatures together, shells pointing in the direction of the current. Their alignment is a silent compass, marking a moment of ancient terror. This discovery is a chilling reminder. Nature's power is unpredictable and immense. The serene cliffs we see today were once the scene of violent, chaotic death. Catastrophic events have shaped our planet for eons. The nautiloid bed is an echo from a lost world, one where even the mightiest creatures were at the mercy of nature's fury. The Grand Canyon's rocks are not just records of slow change, but of sudden, overwhelming destruction. Each fossil is a message from a time of chaos. The canyon's past is far from peaceful. Fossils aren't always bones, sometimes they're footprints. In 2020, geologist Stephen Rowland spotted ancient tracks on a boulder along Bright Angel Trail. These are the oldest vertebrate tracks ever found in the canyon, over 313 million years old. Back then, this was a sandy coastal plain on the supercontinent Pangaea. The tracks show a small four-legged animal with a sideways crab-like gait, an early reptile or its relative. These faint impressions are clues to a pivotal moment, life's transition from water to land. The odds of their preservation are staggering. Tracks left in wet sand, buried, turned to stone, then revealed by erosion and a lucky break. It's a message in a bottle from a world we'll never see. Each footprint is a ghostly reminder of evolution's pioneers. The Grand Canyon's rocks hold stories of improbable survival. These tracks connect us to a distant, vanished world. Sometimes the smallest discoveries are the most profound. The canyon's history is written in stone and in steps. The Grand Canyon's story isn't just geological, it's deeply human. For millennia, people have called this place home, living in caves and farming its terraces. In the 1960s, archaeologists excavated Stanton's cave and found something astonishing. Dozens of willow twig figurines crafted to resemble animals. Carbon dating revealed they were 3,000 to 4,000 years old, far older than known Puebloan artifacts. These figurines belonged to the archaic desert people, a culture shrouded in mystery. They weren't toys, but sacred objects, likely used in hunting rituals. The cave's darkness and silence add to the sense of ancient reverence. Finding these delicate objects is a moving experience, a fragile link to a lost world. They remind us that survival here required deep knowledge and spiritual connection. The figurines are whispers from the past, connecting us to people who saw the canyon as sacred. The Grand Canyon's human story is as deep as its geology. We are not the first to be awed by this place. Its past is alive in every artifact. The canyon's mysteries are both human and natural. Near the canyon's bottom lies a feature called the Great Unconformity, a missing chapter in Earth's history. Here, 525-million-year-old Tapete sandstone sits directly atop 1.7-billion-year-old Vishnu schist. That's a billion-year gap, an era erased from the rock record. What happened during that immense span? No one knows for sure. The leading theory, a mountain range, now vanished, was eroded away before new sediments were laid down. The scale of erosion is almost unimaginable. The Great Unconformity is a stark reminder of Earth's violent, ever-changing nature. It represents a lost world, a billion years gone. Our planet is not static, it's dynamic, shaped by forces beyond comprehension. The processes that created this gap are still at work today. The canyon's deepest secret is a silent wound in Earth's story. The Grand Canyon is a treasure trove of rare minerals. In the 1960s, miners at Orphan Mine found vibrant green crystals, grandvuite, a mineral new to science. The canyon's unique geology, shaped by volcanic and hydrothermal activity, creates perfect conditions for rare minerals. Other discoveries, like hashemite, reveal the canyon's hidden chemical processes. These minerals formed when superheated fluids rose through cracks, crystallizing into exotic gems. Each new mineral is a word in Earth's language, telling stories of ancient chemistry. The canyon is still largely unexplored. Who knows what else lies hidden? Even here, surprises await in the rocks. The Grand Canyon remains a frontier for discovery. Its mineral secrets are just beginning to be revealed. For all we've learned, the Grand Canyon's greatest mystery is its age. For decades, scientists thought the Colorado River began carving it 5-6 million years ago. But new research suggests parts could be as old as 70 million years, dating back to the time of dinosaurs. This old canyon theory is hotly debated, with evidence pointing in different directions. The truth is likely complex ancient canyons filled and re-excavated, shaped by shifting rivers. The canyon's formation is a puzzle we're only beginning to solve. Even the most studied landscapes hold deep uncertainties. The Grand Canyon humbles us with its silence. Its origin story remains elusive, challenging each new generation. Some secrets may never be fully revealed. The Grand Canyon is more than a landmark, it's a symbol of the wild and the unknown. Every discovery, from fossil graveyards to ancient footprints, deepens its mystery. The canyon's terrifying secrets, cataclysmic floods, billion-year gaps, unanswered questions, only add to its allure. It's a monument to deep time, a place where human understanding meets its limits. Scientists and explorers are drawn here, piecing together a story written in stone and water. The canyon is a dynamic field of discovery, always revealing new facets. It's a geological epic, a biological sanctuary, and a sacred human space. The Grand Canyon challenges, inspires, and humbles us. Its story is never finished. For generations to come, it will continue to puzzle and awe. The canyon's voice is endless, and we will always listen.